you spill it on dark clothes. But there is an easy way to fight stains and whiten your laundry. OxiClean Stain Fighter. Just pour it in the wash to remove stains and double your detergent's whitening power. OxiClean safe for your clothes, even colors. Nothing is better to remove stains, whiten colors, and whiten whites. I promise you won't.
Oh yeah, Mommy. I love your phone. It's a sidekick. God damn it, I love it. Sidekick. I am hypnotized by a sidekick. How dare you, sidekick? Sidekick makes me crazy. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I love you, sidekick. I love you, baby. I love you. I'll let you go. I love you. Oh yeah, sidekick cord. What? Oh yeah. Coming back to you. God damn it, I love it. What? What's that? Oh my god. Yes. Yes. I'm dominated by sidekick cord. I love you. God damn it. Goodbye.